Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are continuing with the case of admission for adjustment of capital. Adjustment of capital case 2 where it's provided that C is bringing how much amount of the capital, but question is about that old partners have also decided to adjust their capital on the basis of C's capital. So here you are given what is C's share of capital and for what share C is admitted here for 1/10 share. But actually situation is this, the old partner have decided to adjust their capital for C's share of capital. So if in the question you are given new profit sharing ratio, that's very good. If it's not given, you need to calculate. Here again C is coming for 1/10 share. So we will start with the point of remaining share as we did for profit sharing ratio in the earlier videos. You can go and check for the profit sharing ratio how to calculate. We take firm's share minus new partner's share. New partner is treated here as a guest. You need to serve your guest first. After serving the guest, whatever is left is divided among old partners in the old profit sharing ratio. So what's A's new share is, from 9/10, A will get 6 divided by 9, and what B will get, that he will get out of 9/10, 3 divided by 9. So here A's share is 6/10, B's share is 3/10 and C's share is 1/10. So what is their new profit sharing ratio for A, B and C is 6, 3 and 1. This is their new profit sharing ratio. Now the question is about the adjustment of their capital. For adjustment of the capital, C is bringing rupees 1 lakh capital. For what share? That is for 1/10 share. Fine. So what would be the capital of firm? So capital of firm would be 1 lakh multiplied by 10 by 1. So capital of the firm here is rupees 10 lakh. This 10 lakh is divisible among A, B, C in their new profit sharing ratio, that is 6/10, 3/10 and 1/10. So how much should be C's share? That is rupees 6 lakh, then 3 lakh and then for C it should be 1 lakh. Now as per the question, their new balance carried down now required for A, B and C are 6 lakh, 3 lakh and 1 lakh. Fine. What they are already having in their business, already A is having 6 lakh 60,000 and B is having 3 lakh 30,000. C is a new partner, so he needs to bring this balance by cash or bank. The question is about how this adjustment of 60,000 and 30,000 is to be done. Let's see over here, there could be 2 points. First point, if the question is silent as to the difference, or in the question it is given that excess or deficiency is to be done by withdrawn or brought in. So here see, if a partner is already having in the business, is 6 lakh 60,000, but his needed new balance should be 6 lakh. So he needs to withdraw rupees 60,000 from the business because it is extra for him in the business. Same way here also, if this partner is having 3 lakh 30,000 in the business but required balance is 3 lakh, so he is also required to withdraw for rupees 30,000 here. So both of the partner will make an adjustment for here, that A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to bank account, because they need to withdraw the excess money from the business after the adjustment is carried out. This case is done when the question is silent as to the difference, or question says that it is to be done with the brought in or with the carried back from the business. Now the third case is that now if in the question it's not given that it is to be done by cash and it's given that it is to be done by transfer to the current account. So in that very case, how this last part would be done, for A's capital account debit and difference would be transferred to which account here, that is A's current account with rupees 60,000, because in his capital account he is having extra rupees 60,000, so capital is to be withdrawn from the business or transferred to the current account. When it is withdrawn, it goes to bank, or when it is to be transferred to the current account, so A's capital account debit to A's current account with 60,000. For next case it would be B's capital account debit to B's current account, that is with rupees 30,000. So this is the case of adjustment where we have to adjust the capital for the old partners on the basis of the new partners brought in capital. So here this case is ended. Thanks for the day. Accountitude, like, share and subscribe. Keep scoring.